Hi, this is Stan. Welcome back to the Crow's Nest Railroad. Well, we got Dozer painted. Let's take a look. So if you've been watching the channel, you know that I couldn't make up my mind between burgundy and yellow. So we went with both. All right, let's take a look. Here it comes. Just messing with you. Here we go. Take a look at this. All right, don't look too close though. But there it is. All right, there you can see in the back, I got a little gray thing going on there, as well as the yellow and burgundy. So I'll take you back just a couple of quick looks at some of the process involved. Okay, got a super early start this morning, just after sunrise. Got everything laid out, prepared, did some hand sanding, and then got everything primed. Combination of just regular metal primer and that sandable primer based on what I was spraying. You can see after that trouble with the yellow, I brought this back down to the primer so we can start again. And the hardware store was very understanding, and they gave me a full discount on the paint that I brought back, so I got some new yellow, so we'll try that. All right, today was yellow day. Let's see, I got paint on everything, even some of the small giblets, the cab, and all over me. Now I have yellow shoes. Ace was really great about taking back those paint cans that didn't work, and so I got the Krylon Fusion Gloss Sunbeam, and that's what we went with. And I've got a few other things to paint a different color, but I think this is all the yellow. All right, there's the port side and starboard. All right, well, let's do a run or two from the bitter end to the bitter end. I won't put the portable section in. All right, we're at the gate end here. Let's head the other direction. Well, on second thought, let's pick up the last two cars. There's the full view. Big long empty train. And look at Dozer. Alrighty, time to highball. All right, time to do some shunting and get these cars back onto the spur. All right, well, that's going to wrap it up, I think, for this week. I wanted to be sure and get some pictures of Dozer because this is the best he's ever going to look. You know, getting dinged up and stuff falling on him and branches and leaves getting all over him. So I wanted to document his first day out on the rails with his new paint job. Well, from cardboard mock-up to finished and painted locomotive, it's been quite a journey. Well, this is Stan and Kepler the dog, of course, and then Dozer, the new locomotive. We want to thank you so much for joining us here on the Crow's Nest Railroad. See you right here next time.